China's consumer tech giants are making a major push into robotics. As they eat up market share in everything from smartphones to electric vehicles, they're racing to beat juggernauts like Apple and Tesla to market in the age of embodied artificial intelligence. The Chinese tech giant Xiaomi says it's moved its humanoids onto its electric vehicle assembly line to take on the remaining tasks still done by human workers. Xiaomi, the world's third largest smartphone maker, first introduced its humanoid named CyberOne in August 2022 as it prepared to ramp up production of electric vehicles to rival Tesla. Some Western media framed CyberOne as reactive to Tesla's Optimus, which Elon Musk had announced a year earlier. However, Xiaomi had already entered robotics publicly in August 2021 with Cyberdog, an open-source quadruped platform. Like Hangzhou-based Unitree, Xiaomi started with four-legged robots before evolving its efforts into a full-size humanoid. The company ultimately unveiled its first CyberOne prototype almost 2 months before Tesla showed off its first working Optimus. At the time, only a handful of Chinese companies like Unitree Robotics, Fourier Intelligence, and EX Robots were publicly working on humanoids, and none were anywhere close to large-scale deployments. A tidal wave of startups would soon enter the nascent market, after Beijing made it national policy to mass manufacture humanoids by 2025 and own the market by 2027. Xiaomi mostly stayed quiet about its humanoid program in the few years since, as it gained a reputation globally for its highly automated consumer electronics and EV factories. The company put its humanoid to work at its automotive plant in Beijing that can reportedly build a car in under 76 seconds. According to Xiaomi, the robot has completed a 3-hour continuous autonomous run at a net fastening station on the production floor that assembles its SU7 cars. Xiaomi's research team reported that the humanoid achieved a 90% success rate. It's strong for a machine, but still needs improvement to reach the 99+% reliability expected from trained human workers. However, the performance met the factory's 76-second takt time requirement, which means it works fast enough to keep pace without slowing production. Xiaomi says the deployment is made possible thanks to its in-house vision language action model, in combination with reinforcement learning and a tactile refinement system called TechRefineNet. Rather than relying on vision sensors, the system integrates detailed feedback from force and tactile sensors in the robot's hands and joints. The robotics team says the framework helps the humanoid adapt to small variations in parts, correct for misalignments, and fluidly finish tasks that would trip up other robots. In their findings, Xiaomi researchers said the big breakthrough is that the robot can keep moving while thinking about its next move. So instead of stopping to calculate, it predicts actions in chunks and prepares the next set while doing so. Xiaomi is starting to pilot additional use cases like bin handling and logo application. The company has not said much about its commercialization plans, but CEO Lei Jun has said he envisions the humanoids entering his company's factories at scale over the next 5 years. The manufacturer shared the progress update as one of its rising competitors in China's consumer tech scene revealed its first humanoid prototype at Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona. The Chinese Apple rival Honor presented the humanoid alongside the world's first robotic smartphone. The consumer tech company originated as a Huawei sub-brand in 2013. Its parent company sold the brand to a consortium led by Shenzhen Jixin New Information Technology in November 2020. The sale followed US sanctions that restricted Huawei's access to key technologies like advanced chips and Google services. The company has expanded rapidly in recent years, especially in Asia and Europe. Its production output is smaller than fellow Chinese consumer tech firms like Xiaomi and Huawei, but its growth rate outpaced them last year. Honor's robot phone, is geared toward content creators. According to the company, it delivers smoother, hands-free video without extra equipment, thanks to its 3-axis motorized stabilizer that physically moves the phone's camera to follow people, hopefully with their consent. The phone's retractable camera arm houses a 200-megapixel sensor on what Honor calls the industry's smallest 4-degree of freedom gimbal. The motorized system also allows for playful physical responses. The robotic elements can nod, shake, and move to music. During MWC, Honor confirmed that mass production is scheduled for the first half of 2026. The company plans to make the device available to the Chinese market in the second half of the year. Pricing and wider availability have not yet been announced. Shenzhen-based Honor, which shipped 71 million phones in 2025, also showcased its Humanoid, simply named Robot, at the conference. The compact Humanoid bears a striking resemblance to Unitree's viral G1. It demonstrated its dancing and acrobatic capabilities, including a backflip during Honor's presentation. The Humanoid performed alongside people to the song Believer by Imagine Dragons. The company also shared blooper footage of the Humanoid training for the exhibition. Honor has not released detailed technical specs about the robot's hardware or control systems. Its pricing and availability timeline are also elusive. Though unconfirmed, observers on social media speculated the robot is rebranded Unitree hardware. The Hangzhou-based robotics firm, which leads the world in humanoid and quadruped deliveries, is executing on an aggressive growth plan for 2026. As it approaches household name status, Unitree plans to ship up to 20,000 units for prices starting under $5,000. For more on that, check the related video